Oil field accident lawyers specialize in representing workers who have been injured or killed while working on oil rigs and other drilling sites. They understand the complex laws and regulations that govern the oil and gas industry, as well as the unique hazards and risks associated with working in these environments. These lawyers help their clients navigate the legal process, working to secure compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages caused by the accident. They also investigate the accident to determine who is at fault and identify any safety violations or negligence on the part of the employer or third-party contractors. By holding these parties accountable, oil field accident lawyers help improve safety standards and prevent future accidents from occurring. They are advocates for workers' rights and help ensure that injured workers and their families receive the compensation and justice they deserve. Oil field accident lawyers handle a variety of cases, including but not limited to 1. Falls from heights. Workers in the oil and gas industry are often required to work at great heights, such as on drilling platforms or elevated catwalks. Falls from these heights can result in serious injury or death. 2. Explosions and fires. The oil and gas industry involves working with highly combustible and flammable substances. Accidents involving explosions and fires can be catastrophic, causing severe injuries and fatalities. 3. Equipment failure. Oil rig equipment is complex and requires regular maintenance to ensure safe operation. When equipment fails, serious accidents can occur, such as well blowouts, pipeline leaks, and other hazardous situations. 4. Toxic exposure. Workers in the oil and gas industry can be exposed to toxic chemicals and gases, such as hydrogen sulfide, benzene, and other volatile organic compounds. Exposure to these substances can cause serious and long-term health effects. Oil field accident lawyers work with clients and their families to gather evidence and build a strong case to support their claims. They may work with experts, such as engineers, medical professionals, and safety specialists, to provide testimony and evidence in support of their clients' claims. They also negotiate with insurance companies and other parties to secure a fair settlement for their clients. If necessary, they will represent clients in court to ensure that they receive the compensation